everyone, my name is Styopa, and I'm an incoming freshman at Stanford. As you may know from the title of this video, I am moving to Vermont. So because of COVID-19, all on-campus classes are canceled, so I decided to rent a house with a few other Stanford students and live with them for 3 months. So this video is going to be about the packing process as well as my trip there. Let's get into the packing time-lapse.
The way I organize packing is I write out a list of all the things I need in my notebook. You can't see the notebook in this video, but it's on a table nearby. Then I collect all the things from around the house and cross them off as I go. As you can see, I don't usually pack a lot of stuff, and this time I don't have to worry about the bed sheets or the pillows, so I can hopefully fit into one bag. I probably can even fit into one carry-on, but I want to take my knife and scissors, so I'll just check it in and not worry about space.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember?
Here I realized that I accidentally packed my small bag, which I was hoping to take with me on the plane.
Like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need. Can I take you there?
At MCI, about to fly to Chicago. Just arrived in Chicago. My next flight is in 2 hours, flying to Hartford, Connecticut. Somewhere in this airport, I'm supposed to meet up with Becky. She will be one of my housemates, and we actually have the same flight together. So we landed in Connecticut, and now we're waiting on another housemate to pick us up. Right, Becky?
Yep.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.